Hi everybody, welcome to week 8 of the Heart to Art program through the DVSA. This week's theme is play, which is very exciting. So as we begin the art making this week, I want to invite you to think about an imaginary ball you may be holding. Is it really big? Is it medium? Is it small? So my particular ball is about the size of a basketball. I can feel it a little bit in my shoulders. It's a little bit heavy to hold. But what I want to do is I want to pass it to you. And when you receive it, how does it feel like for you? Does it get bigger? Does it get smaller? Does it have a different texture or feel? Just take a moment and see whether this particular activity is fun and playful. So part of this theme is to have fun. This is why it's called play. So I'm going to move now to the art space and we're going to make an art piece related to this theme. So we're really going to experiment as if we were kindergarteners today. We are really going to use the things we have in our space and we're going to have fun. We're going to use the theme of play that is the theme this week, and we are going to have fun. So I'd like you to I'm going to invite you to make a favorite color collage with materials from your art space or from a space around you. So you can either select a piece of paper if you have it in your favorite color, or you can use your sketchbook and take your favorite color and make the background by coloring, painting, anything that you like to get that color on the paper in front of you. You can use the collage materials, but the idea is that the image has just your favorite color on there. When you add your collage pieces in your favorite color, is there something else you can add to it? Can you add something big or small or short or long? Are you going to glue the materials onto the paper? Are you going to interweave it? Just have a look around your space and get excited by the pieces that you find in your art kit. So here's my collage. So I found this cartridge paper in one of my kids' art making drawers, and they'd already drawn an image on there. So I worked around it. And then this one they'd already made as well. So I incorporated my fun image into the images that I already had. And then I added these threads. And then, although the majority is my favorite color, which is purple, felt like I needed to add some of this orange just to give it a bit of a highlight. But that's the wonderful thing, again, about art making, is that you can reuse art images or things you've made that maybe don't work in that moment, but you can put it into another image and then suddenly it makes sense. So this rainbow here is turned into a jellyfish, and the fish here still looks at home under the water with everything else. And then I wrapped these. I just had fun. I didn't think about it much. I just made the image and had fun. So I just want to invite a couple of reflection questions for you at this point. So how did making art in this way feel for you? How does seeing your favorite color make you feel when it takes up so much space on the page? And you're welcome to write down the answers to some of those reflection questions, or just keep them in your mind. And maybe again, this is something you can invite other people in your home to do. It doesn't have to be stuck down like this. You could make sculptures out of things in your home. It's any way to have fun. Okay, thank you.